Hello everyone, welcome to today's special building journey. Today, we will follow the process of building a wooden house, incorporating modern technology. Each construction step is carried out accurately, safely, and with the highest technical standards. We invite everyone to join us to discover how solid. Then comes the wooden frame, the plumbing system, the roof, and the entire exquisite interior. Each segment shows the dedication and excellent skills of the construction team. And finally, we will witness a beautiful completed house standing in the middle of nature. Let's start this fascinating journey right now, ladies and gentlemen. When the concrete reaches its initial hardness, the entire water pipe is firmly fixed in the foundation. This special plastic layer has the effect of retaining moisture, preventing cracking and protecting the surface during the time the concrete reaches its strength. This plastic layer also helps prevent water vapor from escaping too quickly, ensuring that the foundation develops according to technical standards and has a long life. the foundation is in place, the construction team begins an important phase, digging trenches and preparing the underground plumbing system for the entire house. Excavators and workers work together in harmony. Each trench is dug according to technical drawings with precise depth and width. These ditches act as a drainage and water supply line, ensuring the stable operation of the living system in the future. The house frame gradually appears with sturdy pillars and smooth, straight walls. At the crucial moment, the entire group of workers coordinated, each taking a position, preparing to lift the wooden frame from the vertical platform. Following the commanding rhythm, they use strength combined with belts and support tools to slowly erect the wooden frame upright on the concrete foundation. In just a few seconds, the first frame of the house appeared clearly before his eyes, like a sturdy wooden skeleton being pulled up from the ground. The frame is temporarily secured with struts and anchor screws to the concrete surface, ensuring it is stable before installing other components. Once the first frame is firmly erected, the construction team continues to install the remaining frames to complete the entire perimeter of the house. Each wooden frame is placed in pre-measured position, lifted simultaneously, to ensure the edges are perfectly aligned. the outer plastic layer is completely installed, the construction team uses Tyvek material, a specialized protective film in construction. Tyvek has a special structure. It is waterproof from the outside but still allows moisture inside to escape, helping the house to be airy and prevent mold. Tyvek membrane is spread tightly around the wall, fixed with industrial pins, forming an armor layer to protect the entire internal structure. Once the wall and ceiling frames were complete, the construction team moved on to another important phase, erecting the wooden roof frame on top of the structure. From the original rough wooden frame, the house has now gradually put on a finished coat, revealing the lines of a modern and sophisticated building. Every detail, every joint bears the mark of the craftsman's hand, meticulousness, and dedication in each construction step. The home building journey continues to unfold ahead, promising exciting and surprising final touches. The construction team put on the roof super durable plastic panels that are sunproof and heat insulating. Each panel is fitted into the wooden roof frame and screwed in with specialized equipment. After a short but warm break, the team quickly returned to the unfinished work of a long day. The next step begins with the cladding of the house's outer shell. Beautifully crafted exterior panels that are aesthetically pleasing, but still provide effective weather protection. While the outside is bustling, inside the house a series of equally important parallel works are taking place. The interior construction team began to cover the walls surrounding the rooms. Each wooden or composite plastic panel was tightly fitted to the sound frame system, creating a smooth and seamless wall surface. Immediately after that, the electrical engineering team proceeded to install the electrical system in the wall. From wires, sockets, switches to protective conduits, all wires are run neatly into the wall according to technical drawings, ensuring safety and aesthetics later. At the same time, another group of workers began to construct the interior wall decoration, an important part to make the house truly have a soul and have its own style. Decorative panels are selected in a uniform color, surface, and material to create a harmonious whole for the entire space. Besides the aesthetic factor, wall cladding also helps increase sound insulation, heat insulation, keep warm in winter, and limit noise from outside. Below, the flooring team is still working at a steady pace, ensuring each floor panel is fitted tightly, without warping or gaps at the edges. Each panel is thoroughly tested for flatness, adhesion, and color to ensure the highest uniformity across the entire wall. The harmony between the groups of workers, from door moldings to wall panels, helps every square meter of the house gradually become more perfect and sophisticated. When completed, the interior of the house appears clean and modern, with harmonious decorative lines creating a warm and luxurious feeling. This is the important step, turning a rough frame into a real living space, where every small detail is polished. And then, after many hours of continuous work, the shape of a complete house gradually appeared, sturdy, clean, and warm in the surrounding space. All the hard work, sweat, and meticulousness of the construction team turned the rough wooden panels and bare frame into a proud, completed home. And here is the moment we've been waiting for. The modern log home is officially complete. From solid foundation to delicate house frame, every step is full of passion. Modern technology combined with traditional craftsmanship creates a beautiful work. Hope today's story has brought the audience many interesting experiences. Thank you everyone for accompanying us throughout the journey of building this special home. If you find it interesting and want me to make more videos like this, leave a comment below. Hello and see you all in the next inspirational videos.